Empower version 1.07, Vocabulary Builder, Advanced Features. In this video, you will learn about advanced features in Vocabulary Builder for working with word list. You will learn about the edit list as well as how to use default list, my list, and merge list. Please watch the tutorial Empower 1.07 Vocabulary Builder Basic Features to learn about hiding and showing words. From the Edit List screen, you will be able to create, rename, manage, and clear list. You will see how to use these features during the following example activities. There are many default lists that are preloaded into Empower. These include the first 25 and 50 word list, as well as several activity-specific lists for favorite toys and games, such as cars, bubbles, and dolls. The benefit of using a default list is that you can quickly load these into Vocabulary Builder without having to hide or show specific words individually. Let's take a look at how to use the default list in Vocabulary Builder. Regardless of the vocabulary you're using, you will always start with Menu, Vocabulary Builder, and toggle Vocabulary Builder on. You'll notice all the words are grayed out until I either show words or edit a list. I'm going to select Edit List, and I'm going to go to Manage List. You'll see up the top I've got Default List, and there's 25 words, 50 words, and then lots of different activities. So I can scroll down to look at the different word list. These are all associated with various activities. It's quick and easy to select one of these lists to import. And then all the words are automatically shown in Vocabulary Builder, and you don't have to show them one by one. Let's select bedtime for this example. I can see all the words that will be associated with bedtime activity. If I wanted to delete a word from this list, I could select the X on the right of the word, and it would be deleted from my list. I can sort the words in the list by alphabetical order or by those most recently used. Okay, this all looks good, so let's select Finished, and you can see the words that are highlighted are the ones that will be shown in my word list. And here they are.
Want. Drink.
Save your favorite word list in the My List section. Customize and save a default list so you can find it later. I'm going to enter the Vocabulary Builder menu by selecting Menu and Vocabulary Builder and toggle Vocabulary Builder on. Now I'm going to choose Edit List and Manage List. Okay, from here I'm going to select the plus that says Create List. You can see I'm in the My List section because that tab is blue. Let's click on Create List. And I'm going to type some words in this box. I just want to type the words go and stop. So I'm going to select that text box and I'm going to type the word go with a comma and stop and finished. Okay, I can see the two words in my list are go and stop, and I'm going to say okay. That looks good. I'm finished, and you can see the two words highlighted are go and stop.
Go. Stop.
Let's go back into Vocabulary Builder menu and Edit List. And you'll notice that the name of my list is Word List 3 because I forgot to change it. So let's select Change. And I'm going to call this list Go. So I'm going to delete that and just type Go. Select Finished. You can see now the name of my list is Go. Finished again. And if I go back to my Edit List, you can see under Manage List, there's my list, Go. Merge List is a great feature that lets you combine multiple lists into one list. You can merge default list or a custom list into one. That way you can have words of multiple lists showing on the screen at one time. Let's learn how to merge word list. First, I'm going to go into Vocabulary Builder menu by selecting Menu, Vocab Builder, and toggle Vocabulary Builder on. From here, I'm going to select Edit List and Manage List. I'm going to go to the default list and choose a default word list. I'm going to select baby dolls And here is the list, and it says Activity Baby Dolls Copy. I want to change the name of that, so I'm going to select Change, and I'm just going to delete the word copy and type in my student's name. So this says Activity Baby Dolls Rashida. You can see where I've changed my name. Go back to Manage List, and in the My List section you can see the list I just changed. Okay, I'm going to go back to default list, and I want to add the bedtime activity list. I want to merge those words with the baby doll list. So I need to change the name again, select change, and I'm just going to back off the word copy and type in my student's name. Select finished. Okay, there it is. Manage list, and now you can see in my list I've got both of those copies of the activities, baby doll and bedtime, and I want to merge those word list into one word list. So I select merge list, then I put a check mark in front of the list that I want to merge into one, and select finished. And now these words from both of those lists will be showing in Vocabulary Builder. So now when I select exit, I have both lists showing at the same time. From the Vocabulary Builder menu, I can also use the Change List button to take me directly to my Manage List. I see My List, I can access the default list, and I can create a list from here. I can also merge list. If you'd like to delete a list in the My List section, just select the trash can icon to the right of the list. Thanks for learning about the Advanced Vocabulary Builder features in Empower version 1.07.